So today I'm going to show you what I bought from the D shop. So the first item I have is a box of sketch pens. Of dual marker 24 color shades. It also has a handle and it has different thickness at the front and the back. Next we have the Capybara writing board. There are lots of cute pictures inside. Next we have a wash bag. Then we have Foley tapes. Next up we have the journaling toolbox. This product has glue, remover, tweezers and stickers. Next up we have thank you stickers. Next up we have sticky flowers. Next we have paper clips and photo clips. After this I have a cute folder. Next I have the bracelet maker. Next I have sticker labels. I have two types of sticker labels. Then I have soft twisting wires. Then I have brushes. Then I have a keychain, and then I have a journaling kit. Thank you for watching.